If your outlet cover plate is cracked or broken, fixing it is way easier than you think and super important for safety and style. Okay, first thing, always turn off the power to the outlet from your circuit breaker. Like, don't skip this because it's a major safety thing. Next, grab a new cover plate that matches your outlet type. These things are cheap and come in tons of colors and styles, so pick one that vibes with your room. Use a screwdriver to take off the old cracked plate by unscrewing the center screw. If the screw is stuck, try a little bit of WD-40 or wiggle it gently to avoid stripping it. Once the old plate is off, check for any exposed wires or damage around the outlet itself and be sure everything looks safe before moving on. Then, line up the new cover plate over the outlet and screw it in snugly. But not too tight because you don't want to crack the new one. After that, switch the power back on and double check that everything feels solid and looks good. It's a quick upgrade that makes your space look cleaner and keeps things safe from dust and accidental shocks. One of the biggest mistakes people make when replacing outlet cover plates is not turning off the power first, which can lead to electric shock. Always do that first. Another common issue is over-tightening the screws, which can crack the new cover plate. Just keep it firm but gentle. Lastly, using the wrong size or shape of cover plate can cause gaps or improper fitting, so double-check your outlet type before buying to avoid that hassle. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff without wasting time searching all over. For contractors, it's a smart way to connect with people who need their services and get more work without extra stress.